Do you guys realize how long it's been since I've done a video with me, like, face to face with you guys? Like, that's not cool. I've done you now and everything, but I have not done this. I've missed this. Hi, guys. It's been forever, and you know what? Forget it. I'm just gonna keep going with my YouTube videos and not. I can't make any promises because they never go through really well. So, yeah. But hi, it's me, and yeah, it's been really crazy. Like, a lot of people are just like, "Wait, you cut your hair and stuff?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I cut my hair." And now, oh, reminds me of Taylor Swift and how her bangs are so, like, really long and everything, and I'm just, like, pulling it into my face. And a lot has happened since then. I have a new job where I work in, human resources, and I'm, like, the main person for this one big store, and, that's amazing. I have college, which has been absolutely insane, but I love it anyways in a way. It's a love-hate relationship. I guarantee you, it really is. And I have what else do I have? Wait, what do I have? There's something else I'm missing. Anyways, I have a lot going on, but don't fear, don't fear. You're a subscriber here, which are amazing. And if you're not a subscriber, I mean, maybe consider it because as Christiane Nace TV, I guarantee you, no matter what, you're going to see a lot of different things on this channel, whether it be about nature or whether it be about pop culture, whatever it is. I think I just said pop culture. Culture. That's a new word. Perfect. But you're going to see a lot of things on this channel, and I am so excited to work on it on my 1 month break from school. And a lot of that will also be filmed down in the Florida Keys. I'm like, right now, I think I'm just starting to get all toasty just thinking about it. Because right now, I'm sitting with my heater over here, and I'm just like, yeah, so cool. And you're going to see a lot, and also you're going to see one of my Elias channels called That Vegan Chick. It's going to be unveiled, hopefully. And you know what? I'm going to stop the hopefully thing. It's going to be unveiled February 1st, 11 days before my 1 year anniversary with YouTube. So, yeah, we're pretty cool there. So, I'm so excited for all this stuff. And for once, I feel like I can actually fulfill all this and not have to worry about any technical difficulties unless this wonderful laptop that I'm using it ends up breaking. I think we'll be okay. So, all right, guys, I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.